Good morning. My name is Carolyn Klauba. I'm the Stewardship Director for the Sourland Conservancy. Today we're on Baldpate Mountain and we are working in collaboration with Mercer County Park Commission on a restoration project here on Baldpate. Baldpate Mountain has a tree canopy that comprises almost 70% of ash trees, and because of the emerald ash borer we are going to be losing a lot of trees here. So we are trying to get ahead of that tree loss by planting a lot of trees in this open space. We are not planting ash trees, and I think a lot of people get confused when they hear this restoration project because we're losing ash. We're not going to plant ash. We are planting a bunch of other native tree species, including tulip poplar, black oak, flowering dogwood, a couple of viburnum species, American holly, and elderberry.
We're doing a 5-acre reforestation as part of match for a U.S. Forest Service grant that the Friends of Hopewell Valley Open Space obtained. And so basically we are preparing this area to be a forest in the future to try to replace some of the ash trees that are being lost here at Baldpate Mountain. And so initially we took this 5-acre area that we're working in today and mowed all of the invasive shrubs that had overtaken this area. So historically it was farmed, and then it grew up into undesirable habitat. So this is one effort, and in addition to this we're doing other reforestation projects here as well. We also just recently introduced prescribed burning to the mountain, and so our main motivation behind that is to combat the invasive understory that's started to take over the mountain really in the past few decades, but is kind of accelerating because of ash loss. So as the canopy opens up, we're seeing more non-native invasive shrubs colonizing in the understory, which isn't what we want. It's not what the local wildlife depends on. So by introducing prescribed burns, we can actually work to get rid of some of that understory and prepare it for reforestation and hopefully help promote regeneration of native trees and shrubs and a native understory that will benefit all of the local wildlife.